We all know SEO is extremely important, but how do you do basic housekeeping to make sure your website is not missing or duplicating any page titles, descriptions, H1 tags, and how to do SEO analysis for your website? Hi, this is Vishal Kali from Fashion Marketing, and in this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step process on how to do SEO analysis for your website using a free SEO checker tool. So keep watching. So let's take a look at free SEO spider tool. So we will go to a website called screamingfrog.co.uk, and this is a free tool that will allows you to do an SEO audit for your website, and it will crawl through all the URLs and tell you what you're missing, whatnot. So as you will scroll down, you click on download, and it will download. It recognizes your operating system. So your Windows, it will recognize that, and with one click you can actually download it. So I'm not going to click on this because I already have it downloaded. So I will go back. So after you have downloaded, you will go to applications and you scroll down, and it will create an icon right here. So you will click on that icon, and this will load up the Screaming Frog SEO spider on your computer. And this is a really great tool. I used it for multiple sites, for my own, to check the SEO audits for my site if I'm missing, title tags, descriptions. And I also use this to do SEO audit for my competitors' websites. So see what kind of, H1 tags or title tags or descriptions they are using. So this is how the tool looks like. As you can see, it has multiple tabs. You can see response codes, page titles, meta descriptions. This is the same data that you will see over here. And based on whatever you select, it has URL info and links. So to get started, you will put in any URL you want to audit this for. So let's say if we are testing for your own site or for competitors, we'll go, let's check out Vogue.com. So click Vogue.com and you click start. And now what it will do is it will start crawling all the URLs at Vogue.com/ and start gathering data to it. So since this is a free tool, it only allows you, so the free version of the Screaming Frog SEO spider tool is only limited to 500 URLs, which is like these. But for our purposes, I think this is good enough. But if you want to crawl like whole website, which has like thousands of URLs, you will need to purchase a paid one. So we're just going to use the free one. And as you can see, it's crawling all these tools. And on the bottom right corner, it tells you how many of those 500 it has completed. So it's almost done with 500, so it works pretty fast. So this is the main information it is gathered from all of your website. So what we'll do is let's select one URL, and this tells you the URL of the website. And as you scroll this way, it tells you the title on that homepage. It says Vogue, Fashion, Beauty, Celebrity, Fashion Shows. You keep scrolling more, it gives you the meta description on this particular page, meta length, meta keywords. Are they using any keywords on the home page? Apparently they're not, but they have keywords on different pages. You scroll down and it gives you a bunch of different data. So their H2 tags are this one. And another way to look at these things is you can click on these titles here. So if you want to see page titles, you click this tab. Now for each of the page it has crawled, it tells you what were the page titles. I'm going to scroll a little bit on this side. Here we go. So for homepage, the Vogue homepage, the title is Vogue Fashion Beauty. For their Vogue.com/living, their title is Living, Weddings, Interior Design, whatnot. And this also tells you the length of the title. So each title is, this one is 76 characters long, this is 40, this is 93. And one of the things that I really like about this is when you go down and I click on SERP snippet. So this tells you when somebody is searching on Google and they see this page, this is how that page looks like in the organic search results. So this is the title tag, which you see right here, right? So Living, Weddings, Interior Design, Living, Weddings, Interior Design. This is the URL, which is Vogue.com/living as we selected here. And this is the meta description. So when you click on this tab, meta description, you will see that for the Living, meta description is wedding planning tips, interior design ideas, and this is exactly the same. So this is really great for checking for your own stuff, that whatever description you've entered, how does it look? Like, is it going overboard? Does it make sense to people? So this is a great way to test that. Another thing what you can do is, if you have page, so each of these titles actually has sub menus or filters. So when you click, so let's say we're on meta description tag, and I click here, I can select a bunch of these things. So I can select and see which ones of pages actually have meta description that is missing. As you see, so when I went on all, you have meta description data here. But when I selected what's missing, it tells me like these pages, it gives me exact URL of which pages there is no meta description. So this is like meta description is something you have to have, because if users are landing on your SERP snippet, as if I click this page, there is no description here. So the user searching you on Google, finding you, they have no idea what this page is about. So what you can do is use this as a test and then go back and see which pages are missing meta description and go back and enter meta description for each of those pages. The same thing you can do for page titles. So you will click here, you click on missing, and it looks like they have page titles for every single page. Since we only crawled 500, maybe there are a couple that are actually missing. So this gives you that information. You can see, since the best practice is your page title should not be more than 65 characters. And this one tells you like which of these pages have titles more than 65 characters. So these are the pages where title is more than 65 characters. So you can go and fix that if you need to, right? Then you have which of the pages have titles below 30 characters. So because it gives you the maximum 65 characters, so if there's only one title, you should go and add more and utilize the space that's available to you. Another thing you can do is what I really use is I use this export button, and I try to export all this data to an Excel sheet where I can actually go through it one by one and see which product is missing or which descriptions, keywords, or whatever is missing, H1 tags, and I can go and fix those, right? Another thing what you can do is the same information is actually available in this window in form of numbers. So this kind of tells you like a quick snippet, the internals, how many links are there, external links, so basically all this data, but actually gives you the total number. So page titles, you can see none of these 500 pages are missing any titles. There are only 2 pages that have duplicate titles, but on meta description, there are 35 pages out of these 500 that are actually missing titles. So you can either click here and then you can see the data actually here changes. So you can go either way. So this is, bare bones, simple tool that allows you to use. You can look at the site structure, response time of each pages. Actually, here's configuration. So you go on the top and you click on configuration, and this allows you to configure whichever things you want to see, like right here. Since this is a free tool I'm using, so it doesn't give me these options, but these options are available to like the paid users. So if you get the paid one, you'll be able to check and uncheck any of these options. So this is, a really quick overview of how I use Screaming Frog to analyze my website to make sure all the URLs, everything, meta descriptions, page titles are good, my SEO is up par. And this is a free SEO checker tool that you should use for yourself. And also if you want to see what title tags or meta descriptions your competitors are using, and you can probably take inspiration from it and use something similar. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any particular questions regarding the Screaming Frog, please do let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you like our channel, please hit the subscribe button. It actually keeps me motivated to keep more videos for you. And also we can notify you when the new video is up. So thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.